Here we will write a program to print sum of digits from a number using Python. So first we'll open the IDE, then we'll add new file, and in comment line we'll write program description. First we'll accept the number from the user. So n equal to int input enter number. Then we will define one variable s to store the sum, which is initialized with 0. Then we will use while loop. So while n greater than 0. First we will separate out the digit. So d equal to n mod 10. Then we will add this d to sum. So s equal to s plus d. And we will remove the last digit from the number. So n equal to n floor division 10. And then we will print the sum. So print sum of digit equal to s. And we will save it as sum of digit. And we will execute it. It will ask to enter the number. I will give 231. It will print sum of digit as 6 since 2 plus 3 plus 1 equal to 6.